As part of our efforts to build a better future, we defined what we call 10 must-have sustainable items that will be applied to new Kia models. We'll phase out the usage of leather and increase the amount of plant-based materials such as corn, sugarcane, and natural oils. In the case of EV9, more than 70 upcycled PET bottles are used in the interior.
While we have not yet achieved our long-term sustainability goals, we keep improving, are more sustainable, and more respectful of nature with every new product we make. Inside the EV9, we focused on improving interaction between user and vehicle, but also between occupants. We want to provide the technology and the space to make every journey meaningful. The wide display extends from the driver to the passenger. This horizontal layout works naturally with a long, light and minimal dashboard. We simplified commands and focused on the essentials to provide a clear interface for our users. We use the best attributes of our innovative eGMP platform to create a flexible seating arrangement and a generous sense of space. We want to give our users the freedom to interact and communicate with one another. The room for adults and children alike to sit comfortably from the first to the third row. And the time and space to be filled with memorable human experiences. But beyond that, in our view, the eGMP platform allows for some impressive driving technologies, making our EV9 a truly smart vehicle.
Kia, movement that inspires.